Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever managed a project in Smartsheet and wondered how to keep track of changes over time, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful feature. Setting a project baseline using Smartsheet's Gantt chart view. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to lock in your planned schedule, compare it with real progress, and make better decisions with confidence. So let's jump right in. To start, I've already loaded up a Smartsheet project with some data, tasks, start and finish dates, dependencies, the whole setup. You'll want to make sure your project sheet is nice and updated with all your initial planning details, since the baseline will capture a snapshot of your plan as it stands right now. Think of the baseline as your project's original blueprint. It's what you'll be measured against as the work gets underway. Next, look near the top of your screen and find the grid view. Give that a click. The grid is your basic spreadsheet-like view, but for this tutorial we actually need to switch over to something more visual, and that's the Gantt chart. In the toolbar, find and select Gantt from the view options. If you're new to Gantt charts, don't worry. They basically lay out your tasks on a timeline, making it much easier to see who's doing what and when everything is supposed to happen. Now take a look up in the top right corner of the Gantt chart. You'll spot a button labeled Baseline. That's the one we want. Click on Baseline and a small panel will pop up. Here, where the magic happens. As soon as you set a baseline, Smartsheet freezes a copy of your current schedule. This allows you to see side by side exactly how your project is doing compared to your original plan. Inside that baseline panel, you'll notice there are three key things you can view. Actual, which shows you your current real-world dates as tasks change. Baseline, which is the original plan you just locked in. And variance, which is the difference between where you plan to be and where you actually are. It's kind of like having a GPS for your project. You know where you started, where you are now, and how far off track you might be. For example, if you plan to finish a task by Friday but ended up sliding to next Monday, the variance will highlight that for you. Super handy when reporting to stakeholders or simply keeping an eye on creeping deadlines. If you make a mistake or your plan changes so much that you want to take a fresh snapshot, don't worry. Just use the reset option to update the baseline or remove to clear it entirely, then hit OK to confirm your changes. Remember, setting a baseline isn't permanent. You can always adjust as your project evolves. And that's basically it. Setting a baseline in Smartsheet is quick, but the insights it gives you are incredibly valuable for staying on course. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want me to cover another Smartsheet tip in a future video, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.